let's move on to the seasons. So we know that there are 4 seasons in a year, which are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And you can see here there are 2 ways to say this season, which are autumn or fall. You can choose to say either one. They're the same thing, but I personally prefer to say fall because it's easier and shorter to read. Yeah, but you can choose anyone you like to say. And each season has 3 months. For spring, there are March, April, and May. For summer, there are June, July, and August. And fall is in September, October, and November, and winter is in December, January, and February. So these are the 4 seasons. And let's watch a video to get us more familiar with all the seasons. And while we are watching, I want you to think that what are the characteristics of each season, which means that what will happen in each season, like what are there in each season. For example, summer is hot, winter is cold. For example, there's flowers blooming in spring, there's the leaves falling in autumn. Yeah. And also, I want you to think, what do people do in different seasons? For example, people will make a snowman in winter or go hiking in spring or go swimming in summer, like this. You can get the answer from the video or you can think of your own. And after watching the video, I'd like someone to share with the class which season is your favorite and why. Okay, so here we go. Let's watch this video.
Here we go. 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 Seasons of the year. 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 Here comes the spring with the rain pouring down. getting shorter. Here comes the winter with the nights getting longer. Here comes the winter
with the ice and the snow.
Here comes the winter
With the freezing cold.
Here comes the winter
With the days getting shorter.
Here comes the winter
With the nights getting longer.
Here we go. Oh,
Seasons of the
here we
year.
go. Oh,
Seasons of the
here we
year.
go. Oh,
Seasons of the
here
year.
we go. Oh,
Seasons of the
here we
year.
go. Oh,
Seasons of the
here we
year.
go. Oh,
Seasons of the
here we
year.
go. Oh,
Seasons of the
here
year.
we go. Oh.
Seasons of the year.
Okay. How is the video? How do you like the video? I like the song. It's so interesting. And oh, I just remembered. What season are we in right now? Now is April, right? Now it's April, so we are in spring right now. Wow. So did you notice any characteristics of spring? Maybe in your neighborhood? You can unmute yourself or you can type in the chat box. Okay, thank you, Lucy, for the answer in the chat box. I see you typed out something. So you said that the spring, the flowers are blooming. Yes, yes. Oh, there's so many flowers in my neighborhood right now. It's so beautiful. Yeah, spring is a season of new life. All the flowers, grass, and trees are started to grow in spring. Mike, oh, thank you for your answer. So you said in winter the days are getting shorter and the nights are getting longer. Yes, yes, absolutely. So which makes us so hard to getting up in the morning, right? Yeah, winter is the hardest season to get up because when you wake up, it's still dark outside, right? Yeah. And I want to share what do you do in different seasons? I see Joey's answer in the chat box. I will go to the park with my family. Yeah. Yeah. I also do that when I was young. I went to camp with my family. It was fun. Anyone else wanna share their answer? Yeah, the leaves are falling in fall. Yeah, I think that's why they call autumn fall, because the leaves fall in fall. Yeah, that's how I remember the name of this season. The leaves fall, so it's fall. Okay. So anyone want to share which season is your favorite? You can unmute yourself or you can type in the chat box. I will, in case you want to know, I will start first. So my favorite season is winter because I live in city in the south part of China, which never snows. So every time when my friends in north send me some videos of how big the snow is in their place, I'm like so jealous, and I really want to go to a north city called Harbin. I heard that there's ice sculpture show every year, every winter in Harbin, Anyone here from the northern part of China? Yeah, can you raise your hand? Oh, there's a lot. The winter is really fun in north, right? I wish I can go to the north sometimes. Okay, so my favorite season is winter. So anyone wanna share? Yes, Linda, I see your hands up. You can unmute yourself and speak up.
My favorite season is summer. I often wear my shirts and t-shirts. Sometimes I wear my jeans. In summer, it's also sunny and hot. Sometimes rainy in summer. I usually swim with my father. Sometimes I eat ice cream at home.
Oh, thank you for sharing. So your favorite season is summer? I love eating ice creams also. And you go to swimming? Yeah, swimming it's so comfortable, especially in a hottest day, and you go to swim and eat some ice creams. Oh, that's heaven. Anyone else wanna share it? Thank you for the answer, Linda. Thank you for sharing, Linda. Anyone else wanna share? Okay, if not, then we will move on to the game time. This is my favorite. Okay, so I've already divided the class into 4 groups, which are spring group, summer group, autumn group, and winter group. So spring group will have Lucy, Anna, Gary, Alex, and Tom. Summer group will have Green, Sandy, Linda, James, and Joey. Autumn group will have David, Nick, Lucky, Angel, and Kate. Winter group will have John, Ming, Mike, Lily, and Chloe. I designed a Jeopardy game for us to play. So if you know which group you are in, can you please raise your hand? If you don't see your name here, please also please unmute yourself and yeah, okay, thank you. I see everyone's raising their hands. Okay, so we can move on to the Jeopardy game. So there are 5 topics: days of the week, months, seasons, holidays, and true or false questions. For example, I want to so we will start from the spring group. For example, one of the members from the spring group will choose days of the week 100. So I will click on this, and then this is the question for your group. Spell the day that comes after Tuesday. So which day comes after Tuesday? Can anyone help? You can unmute or you can type in the chat box. Yes, thank you, John. I see your answer there. Yes, it's Wednesday. So I will need to spell the Wednesday. So WEDNESDAY. And that's Wednesday. Am I correct? So if I'm correct, then spring group, my group will add 100 points. And if I'm wrong, then there will be no point added. So that's basically how it works. Are you ready? Okay. So we will start from the spring group. Anyone from the spring group, please choose a question.